What's up, y'all? It's King C here. Welcome back, and I mean back, to my YouTube channel. Okay, y'all, I don't know what he was doing. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got into this makeup look. You're gonna see the base, you're gonna see the products. Cue the music. What's up, guys? So today I will be showing you my makeup routine, but I'm gonna be doing like a Barbie eyeshadow. So yeah, but this is just how I do my makeup. I am by no means a professional, but a lot of people ask me to show how I do my makeup, so I'm gonna show y'all my updated makeup routine, including the base that I use for every makeup look, and I'm gonna link to the products down in my bio, so if you want to know what products I'm using, that's there. But let's jump right into it. So before anything, I would tell you guys to moisturize. If you don't moisturize your face, your makeup is not gonna look good. I already washed my face, I already put stuff on, but I love this product. I just started using it. So it's e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Face Cream. Baby, you can get this at Walmart, Amazon, Target, anywhere. This is a holy grail. How they be doing it? All right, focus on it. Hold on, Emma. I click it. Go ahead. It's not going. Okay, maybe I'm not a YouTuber. That's always my first step, and then I go in with Milk Hydro Grip Primer as my base. Get your neck. You don't want no wrinkly neck. And then I don't know if this does much, but I then do also go in with Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray. I don't know if this does anything, but this is just what I do. I just use concealers for my skin. The foundation is fine, but I like using concealer. I've been in my concealer bag. This e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer with a matte finish in the shade Deep Cinnamon.
My fucking cinnamon app.
I use for my under eyes Extra Coverage Concealer Matte Finish from Magic Collection in the shade Honey Glow. And then I also use the e.l.f. Hydro Camo in the shade Fair Warm. This is for my under eyes as well, and to carve out my eyebrows. For my bronzer, I use e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. And then I use Fenty Beauty Blush in the shade Cheeks Out. Okay? You can't even see the cheeks.
I know you fucking lying, bitch.
Okay, anyways. Basically I just did my bronzer and my foundation concealer. So I do my bronzer to carve out my cheeks, carve out my jawline. So I bite my jaw out. You gotta,
Girl, shut the fuck up.
you see that line? So then I go through, carve this out, put a little on the forehead. After I do my bronzer, I place the blush right above it on like the high parts of my cheekbones. All of this I try and do with brushes. And then I go back in later with my beauty blender. Now with your blush, baby, you can be a little generous, because it's the first thing to go. Like, y'all are gonna see after I finish baking, this blush is pretty much gonna be gone. It's real pigmented. It's giving clown. It's giving my exes.
A clown? He's a clown.
But I mean, if you don't like it, you can always mellow it down a little bit with the beauty blender. And these are all my liquid products, so I do start first with liquid products before anything else. The reason I put blush on my nose, I like to look a little sick. I like to look a little chew. I like to look a little, I sneezed on the beat and the beat got sicker, okay?
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
And now I want to show you all my concealer placement. So first what you're gonna need is a flat brush, baby. If you don't have a flat brush, go get one. And I prefer a bright under eye. Where's my flat brush at? Hold on. This is the flat brush that I'll be using. And the way that I lay it, I put concealer in the corners and at the high points of my cheek. And my favorite part, oh my gosh, I almost skipped a step. I also put contour on my nose. I don't even be trying to make my nose smaller or anything. I'm carving out what I already have, what the good Lord already blessed me with. Where is this brush at? Hold on. Get you a fluffy brush. Okay. So the way I contour my nose, and everyone says my nose contour always looks good, you're gonna start right under your eyebrow, blend down, just do a circle around my nose, and we just go in, blend that out a little bit, because we about to go back over it when we get our powder together. Anyways, back to concealer. Put it on your hand. Put it on your hand. Don't be trying to put it straight from the, put it on your hand. And I carve out what I basically just carved out, but just with concealer. So you draw your little line, get the side of your nose. I just told y'all not to do this, but the product is not coming out. And then you just drag it out. It don't matter if you touch your blush a little bit. It don't matter. Whatever. You're also gonna get under here. Yeah, just a little bit. Then you're gonna get your chin. And then you're gonna get this piece of your head. It don't look cute right now, but it will. So now all I'm gonna do is blend this out and bake it, baby. And for my bake, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty in the color Honey. And I'm gonna put that here and here, and not here, but here and here. And then I'm gonna carve out this little piece right here so my jawline is given.
Girl, shut the fuck up!
So I'm gonna be using a lighter color. I'm gonna be using Fit Me powder in light medium, color 20. Okay, let's speed it up. All right, y'all, so I'm not gonna show you how I did my eyebrows. I just time-lapsed it. Essentially, I make my eyebrows way too thick and then I clean them up. And then I go back and touch it up. But I do use this lighter concealer to carve them out just because I get the best results doing it that way. And then after, I just go in with the Beauty Blender and I tap to like clean it up. I use a darker shade to carve out the top for obvious reasons, like my forehead is darker, so. And then I'll just go back in with the pencil that I use. So I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I use the color Ebony. It's my favorite one. I've done my eyebrows with a lot of things. This is the only thing that I feel like makes them look the best. Period. The eyebrows given? Yes or no? Yes? No? Don't matter what y'all think. I like it. Damn! After I do that, I like to go in with some setting powder to go under my eyebrows. I don't know why I do this, but I feel like my my eyeshadow tends to come out better when I like put some setting powder first. And it's about time to wipe my bake off. I just use any type of fluffy brush. Wipe in the direction that I baked. Recently, I used to be one of those girls who I didn't use a lot of powder because I want my makeup to come out cakey, but now I feel like I get like a better matte finish. So baby, don't be afraid of the powder. The powder ain't gonna hurt you. You can just wipe it on and off and you'll be all right. Once again, by no means am I a professional. This is just what I do. And it's worked for me. People seem to like my makeup, so try this at your own discretion. With eyebrows, I am such a stickler for like going back and touching that girl up. Okay, period. Next up is just all of the powders. So everything I did with my liquid products, I'm about to do with my powder products. I just used Milani blush, Fit Me bronzer in the shade 360, and this Wet n Wild highlighting powder that I got off Amazon. So that's literally the next step. Just literally go back in and do everything I did with the liquids, just with your powders. Do y'all want to say hi to my cat? Say hi, Minx. Say hi, honey. Say hi. You want to say hi? Okay, she's not dealing with y'all today. She said y'all are not friends. She said, I do not know y'all. I'm not saying hi to no stranger. Now, like I said before, y'all, don't be afraid of some blush. Like, the blush already left from earlier. So, another thing that I do like to go in with a lighter setting powder in this little corner because I do like a bright under eye. So literally, if you just get just a little bit of like a lighter setting powder and just put it just right here. That's it. That's all you needed. Just that. Look, I'm gonna get closer. Just right here. Just a little bit. That's all you need. And it's gonna just make it even brighter. So yeah, that's what I be doing. The Barbie movie has been out. I'm inspired. So what I'm gonna do is I'm using the Defiance palette. I don't know where I got this from. It's this. I'm going in with like the lightest shade, and I'm just gonna use that for my inner eye and just pat it in there. Oh yes, Minx. Yes. Meow. You want to leave? Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. Meow. Meow. Okay. She said bye, y'all. I'm gonna just speed this up. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it's gonna look cute at the end. So I'm gonna do my eyes and we'll be back, okay? Hey y'all, so I did my highlight, I did my eyeshadow. I could not film any of that. My cat learned how to break out of the bedroom, so I had to watch her. So I just did all that off camera. Next thing I'm gonna do is lashes and my lips. I'm gonna do the lips so y'all can see what I do for my lip combination. For lips, I use what every girly been using, the NYX Butter Gloss. I use Fortune Cookie, Praline, and oh, these are both Fortune Cookie? Why is one lighter than the other? Okay, look, they changed the recipe. Are these two not separate colors? Oh, Nadia, you want to say hi to my makeup video?
Sure.
Yo, this is my sister Nadia, aka the Goose.
The Goose.
Are these not two different colors? Like, look at don't those look like two separate colors?
On the inside?
No, like outside. The labels, like they look different.
This one's slightly lighter.
That's what I said. But look at the bottom. The same color. What you think of the makeup so far?
Awful. Abysmal. I'm joking.
It be your own people.
I'm joking. It's looking so good.
Wow. Where's my lip liner at?
Only the Barbie's is pretty. Nobody's bad.
It girl. And we ain't playing tag. Okay, Nicki Minaj. This is a hot mess. Okay, a cute little Barbie look. Honey child. Next thing is the highlight. Baby, I just use whatever highlight be popping. Honestly, right now, it's gonna be whatever is in this palette. So I just put a little of that on the cheek. Just a little bit. I dotted my mole with some eyeliner. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go put on my lashes and my wig, and I'm gonna come show y'all the final look. I'll see y'all in the next clip. That was not a transition. I don't know what I thought I was doing right there. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. I think it's pretty cute. This is how I do my makeup. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Hold on, the face is even if my name was Natalie Nunn. But okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, share. Let me know you was here. Yeah, I don't know what else I was gonna say. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me as much as I enjoyed filming for you. And I know I've been off here for a minute, but baby, we back and better than ever. So bye.